Welcome to this full moon meditation. This session can be done at any time you wish, even under the full moon itself. If the moon is not full, simply imagine it as so. My name is Joy Reynolds from Meditation for the Soul, a haven to experience less stress and more peace. Make sure you're in a nice, comfortable position and you will not be disturbed by anyone or anything for the duration of this meditation. Begin to take a long, slow and deep breath in, breathing out and relaxing. You may now close your eyes. The crisp moonlight is something that is said to cleanse the skin and detox the earth. Know that whatever you feel during this meditation is okay for you. So just allow yourself to experience whatever comes or whatever doesn't. When the moon is full, it is in perfect alignment with the sun, so that is reflecting a filtered light towards you and the earth below. Many cultures across all times believe that the full moon each month cleanses all that it touches. Allow yourself to become cleansed today, removing any old stuck negative energies, becoming fresh and renewed for the new month ahead. If the full moon is not visible to you where you are, simply imagine it throughout this meditation. Begin to breathe deeply once more. The slower your inhale, the more fully you can breathe. The slower you exhale, the more relaxed you become. Inhale, cleansing energy. Exhale, relaxing. Inhale, feel the full moon beaming above you. Exhale, relax. Inhale, imagine the moon round and full. Exhale, relaxing. Inhale, see the moon shining so brightly that is almost hard to look at. Exhale into deeper relaxation. Allowing your breath to return to its natural rhythm, feeling relaxed. The rays of the moon are beginning to cleanse you, starting on the surface of your skin. Feeling how impurities and toxins are slowly moving, becoming loose and flowing. The moon is high above you, but it feels so close. Your skin is being cleansed by the moonlight. Dropping all thoughts of your personal problems now. Feel these worries and concerns melting away under the moonlight. Each troublesome thought that arises about your life or your day, give it away to the moonlight. Feel the moon gladly taking your troubles away. Use this moment of opportunity under the full moon to let go completely. Your mind is easily clearing out old ways of thinking. This is magical. Enjoy this cleansing process. Feel your body renewing in the full moon. Each tiny cell is in the full process of regeneration. You can feel the old cells being shed, opening space for new cells to flourish. Now, allow yourself to release any and all obstacles that have stood in your way. Now is the opportunity under the full moon to let go of any hindrances that have become trapped in your own nature. Feel yourself finally breaking through anything that has held you back. All barriers that you couldn't see over before are crumbling to the ground. Imagine the moon shining so brightly above you. Allow for it to open you up on all levels of your awareness. Feeling any stagnant energy becoming unstuck. Now you are beginning to clearly see a new vision is coming through, a vision that was once lost. This newfound vision is greater than anything you have ever seen before. What do you see in your pure vision? Do you see yourself accomplishing great things? Perhaps you are fully healthy and vibrant, making amazing advancements in your career, having meaningful connections with people who believe in you. Let the magic of the moon fill you with new ideas towards a better life. You deserve to let go of the old in order to usher in the new. breathe in deeply one last time, feeling like a new version of you. And when you're ready, in your own time, open your eyes. If you happen to be under the moon, you may gaze up to the moonlight, see the moon and its giving nature.